Like I'm out there and this dude is used to welding now and I get it like
morning. So what's up guys? Here I am, still in the cabin, exploring. It's day 2. We're gonna go to another town. I forgot what town it was. Williams? I don't know. Gonna go to Williams, take more photos and stuff. I'm gonna vlog, but I do want to take some pictures, so there might be a gap in between me vlogging and taking pictures. But I will post the pictures in here if I get any cool ones. I'm walking on logs. Oh shit. Stay tuned. This is gonna be day 2 of my cabin adventures. Alright, I'm done. Done with this intro. Also, leave comments. Give me some feedback. Share this video. I need more followers. Hans is in the mirror. Hi. Marcus is dancing outside for Hans' video.
This is the song that was
That was dope, Marcus.
Here, I'll see if I can like hold on. That blunt.
The clouds over the mountain look so sick. I've been taking pictures of it like all morning. I don't think you can see it. Well, kinda. I'm gonna post pictures at the end of the video. I think it's gonna be my new thing. I want to try to incorporate some photography stuff inside the vlog. So if you like that, let me know. If you don't like that, let me know. But I like it. I think it's cool. It's interesting. We're gonna leave after breakfast. So breakfast is hot dogs. But so I will get back to you guys soon. Oh, dude, that would have sucked if it locked. Oh, that door was open though, so that's fine. What?
Got a jar with your bone in here.
Yeah. Isn't that sick? I'm stoked on it.
Wild.
LOL, we wild. From the last vlog, I got a bone. I mean, I found a jar. I brought a bone with it. Alright, wait, so are we following you guys? Tight. We're at the next spot. I don't know what it is. Over here. We out it. Oh, sick. Landed a lot of mud.
Just another few miles out.
Alright, new adventure, day 2. Wait, that. I guess. That's true. I usually don't do like these kinds of adventures. I know. I agree. I need to do more. What's up?
Right there, that little leaf right here. This stuff is so soft. Feel this. That is the perfect toilet paper out here. When if you don't have any, see that dam that's right across there?
Yeah.
On the other side? It's like this wide.
Yeah.
You can definitely get on it. I always sit up
Go
there
into a pond.
Just fish right off of it.
Hopefully take some sick pics. Aaron went back to get the truck. I didn't record that part, but he's gonna come back with the truck because he's cold.
He got real.
He got really cold. Dude.
Like death, you know? That's like that. Oh, I don't like the death thing. Like you can almost be at death, you know? If you die right now, you're just fucking dead.
We took a bunch of pictures. Get it.
I don't know where that's been.
Hans was on that dam. I took pictures of like all this. That mountain in the back is so tight. Hold on. I'm so cold right now. So sick. Are we driving back in the truck? Yeah. But
It's gonna be hella cold. But it's gonna be dope. Like, it's
Alright.
gonna be sick for the vlog.
sick for the do it for the vlog. Fuck.
Seriously, I was like kneeling for me.
The mountains. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Looks so sick.
Fucking water. It's down. Yeah. That was fucking wet right here.
Are we jumping in the back, Hans?
Yeah. Yeah. It's gonna be.
We're gonna be in the back of this truck. Fuck, bro. God damn it. Marcus.
It's a work truck, man. I got like a block split into like 7 pieces, a grill, fucking trash.
I'm gonna die, dude. Alright, let's go.
No. You'll be
Nah, it's all good. It's all good. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
Sit on my back, the gun go off.
Unlock me.
But
You can sit on this thing.
oh, I will. Let me tell you something. Called it. Dibs.
Oh yeah, I'll go slow. I'm not gonna.
Alright, we're gonna be in the back of a truck. In the back of a lift. How's that song go?
I don't know.
You know what song I'm talking about? It's like the end of the shot, like the end of the vlog. Nah, because we're gonna go see snow, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna go see snow today! I haven't seen snow all year, actually.
Yeah, that's the thing. Neither have I, so.
Be sick. Well, it's only been like 2 weeks in the year, to be fair. But I mean, like, I didn't see snow last year at all. Oh, fuck. My hands are getting colder. I'll share with you. Alright. Right there, Hans. Jump. No. Made it. Alright. Oh, there's some pot. Ah! Oh no, my phone. This is how I broke my phone last time. Can't break this time. What's up? Hi. My bad, dude. Oh, the tree! Ah. So, we've been adventuring for 2 days now. Feel like a wild man. Nah, I don't. I suck. It's been fun though. Hans is a good guy for letting me come to this trip. Appreciate it, man.
Absolutely.
Gotta do more of these. Adventures with Hans. It'll be a mini-series, Adventures with Hans.
Oh yeah.
We'll just take photos and do stuff. Alright. Out of the truck. Just keep puddling.
Right now.
Alright, guys.
Alright, bro.
Alright, man. I'll see you guys later.
Thanks for everything.
Sounds good, dude.
You're a baller,
Yeah,
Marcus.
that was a blast, man. Well,
Don't forget it.
I don't know.
Tight. We're gonna go see snow. Alright, Aaron. Peace out then. We're in Williams. Double camera footage style. Alright, so we're gonna try to get on top of this mountain. Marcus said to go down 4th Street and just like follow it through, so that's where we're going, trying to see some snow. This town looks pretty empty, not gonna lie. Yeah. Alright guys, we're like trying to get to this mountain point, and we went through this like side road with a lot of mud, and I'm kind of afraid of life right now, and Hans is filming some sick shit. So I'm gonna try to like film a little bit this way and see, like if we get stuck, we get stuck, but I hope we don't. And I need to figure out how to get back out of here because these roads are narrow. Oh my god. But look, it's snow. We made it.
Oh,
we see
made
the
it.
snow. All the snow! Oh, fuck! Ah!
holy shit.
Oh, dude. I feel like I need chains on my tires. Is that a thing?
Yeah, it's a thing.
Oh, well, we probably should have done that. I need to get some chains on my tires or something. Where's the dead end at? That's where I'm trying to go to.
I think it's the very.
Very end. That was your phone. Alright, so we went through. Oh man, this is getting cooler and cooler, but like kind of scarier and scarier. Alright, we're trying to get to the end of this dirt road. Hopefully it's worth it. It's looking pretty promising, not gonna lie. Hans, any thoughts?
It's gonna be lit. Too lit to quit.
Too lit to quit, guys. You heard it here. That's okay. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me right now? We're stuck, bro.